Oh hey everybody, it's Ryan from Atlas Tools here with one of my favorite lasers and coincidentally one of the best sellers here at Atlas Tools. This is the Milwaukee 3632-21. It is the 3-beam 360-degree laser kit. Comes with a 4 amp hour battery and a charger, all in a fantastic case here. This is one of my favorite lasers for a few reasons. First off, it's got this sweet micro adjustment dial on the side here, so you can very precisely tune your laser and place it exactly where you need it. You can select which beams are active at a time, so you're not wasting battery with all 3 lasers lit up at the same time when you don't need them. It's got a locking pendulum, so that means when the laser is off, it's not going to be able to rattle itself around and get damaged early. 2 tripod mounts, 5/8 and 1/4-20, magnets on the back, as well as a screw hole so you can hang it off the wall. This kit is a fantastic deal. Like I said, it comes with the 4 amp hour battery and charger, and those batteries work with Milwaukee's M12 platform, the world's largest 12-volt cordless platform. You got to check out all the other tools you can get along with your laser. Check them out, guys. Atlas Machinery or atlas-machinery.com.